Hey guys, it's Brian, and today I present to you a 52-inch Hunter Chateau Remote ceiling fan from 1999. It has a factory remote control. It does not have pull chains, and it does not have a manual reverse switch. The remote control receiver is in the switch housing right below where the blades mount. It does have a factory 3-light kit with the original glass. And the blades, as you can see, are reversible. One side is light, the other side is dark. They have sort of an oak look to them. It does have the factory down rod, factory mounting bracket. It's a really nice fan. It's in mint condition. I picked it up from Habitat in Sandusky today for $35, which I probably overpaid for it, to be quite honest, but it was worth it to me because I've never seen one of these before. At least I don't remember seeing them back when they were brand new. Mind you, that was almost 20 years ago. So to be quite honest, I'd be surprised if I remembered that. I have no idea where these were sold brand new. But if anybody knows, drop a comment down below. I would love to hear about it. So anyway, I really like the look of this fan. It's a, classic transitional period Hunter fan. Transitioning sort of out of the 90s style and into the millennium era of Hunter fans. It has the Whisper Wind style blades, as you can see, very, very much identical to the Whisper Wind 2000 series fans. And this fan actually came with the owner's manual for a Whisper Wind 2000, oddly enough. So I would assume that the previous owner at some point had one, but it was not at Habitat, sadly. I would have picked that up in a minute. I love those fans. But this was actually pretty sweet to find. So anyway, let's go ahead and demonstrate it. First of all, let me show you the remote. This is the original Hunter remote. It has 3 speeds, a reverse button to the far right, fan and light function. So I will go ahead and demonstrate the light first. It's got one 60-watt dimmable LED bulb in it, not CFL. I'll go ahead and dim it for you. Then it shuts off and it comes right back on. Goes right back up to full brightness. We're going to turn the light off for demonstration purposes and starting on low. Extremely quiet fan. It does have a slight wobble to it. It's somewhat off balance, but I plan to fix that. It actually does move a pretty good breeze on low. Here's medium. More pronounced wobble on medium. Definitely moving a strong breeze. And now high. This actually moves a strong amount of air. Blades have a pretty good pitch to them, so definitely a good air moving fan. We'll go ahead and shut it off. Like I said, I really like the look of this fan. I've always been partial to the late 90s Hunters. I've always liked the remote control Hunter fans. This one I'm actually considering putting up in the spare bedroom just because the lighter wood side of the blades actually matches my floor that's throughout the upstairs of the house. It's a vinyl floor, but it's pretty much the exact same color as the lighter wood. And I do kind of like the idea of a remote controlled fan in that room. I think that my guests would really enjoy that, or whoever winds up moving into that room. I just have to find the ring for the canopy to flush mount it to the top of the fan. I think one of my Infinities might still have one, or one of my other fans who uses a similar style canopy. So I'll have to find that and see if I can make that happen. But yeah, that's my 52-inch Hunter Chateau Remote ceiling fan. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.